making a Texas-style Philly cheesesteak, featuring It's Jerky, of course. Today we're going to use Prickly Pear Chipotle, and you're definitely going to want to see step-by-step how I make this magic. First, saute the onions, peppers, and jerky until the onions are translucent and soft. Stir to be sure they don't burn. Then add the tomatoes and vegan cheese of your choice. Lower heat, then cover until cheese melts and tomatoes wilt. Be sure to toast your hoagie rolls at 350 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes. But make sure that they don't get too crispy because they'll be hard to eat. After about 5 minutes, the tomatoes should be wilted and the cheese should be nice and melted. Then once they're ready, just give it a little stir and add to the toasted hoagies. If you like a little extra, garnish with cilantro. Alright, so I'm going to take a bite of this now. Check it out. Wow. Okay. That's definitely a Texas style Philly. I think we did it right, guys. You gotta get in on this. So thanks for being part of this magic. If you want to stay tuned on what we have coming up next, then make sure to like and subscribe. But I want to hear what you want to see next. Comment below, let us know the recipe you want to see with It's Jerky, y'all, and we'll make it happen. Follow along on all of our journeys on It's Jerky, y'all, on Instagram and Facebook so you can see what we've got coming up next. Thanks, guys.